Check. Hello. Can you read me? Buck Thunder. Buck. Oh, it's me, Phil, your divorce attorney. Welcome to Buck Thunder 2, See No Slaughter. Another Buck Thunder game. Your ex-wife is back and more evil than ever. She's sending a bunch of her new blood-sucking boyfriends out. So go shoot them. Just kill them all, Buck. That's the game. Buck, it's me, Phil, your divorce lawyer again. You remember how to move and jump and everything, right? There's shit on the screen that tells you how to do all that stuff. I mean, come on, Buck. This is the second game. All right, Buck, you're gonna have to use the brand new double jump to get over there. Oh, shit, I'm sorry, Buck. I forgot there's no double jump, just crouch. We gotta try crouching, Buck. Fucking scheduling and scoping bullshit. A fucking crouch prioritized over a double jump. Who is this? Who are these people above us? Stay sharp, Buck. A bunch of your ex-wife's new alien boyfriends. There they are. Come right at you. That's what I'm talking about, Buck. Kill those fuckers. You're the man. I love you, Buck. You're so fucking cool. Oh, I'm so excited and lit up. Oh my God, Buck, you did it. You opened the door. You're a fucking genius. You are my favorite client. It's me, by the way, your divorce attorney. Don't forget, I'm Phil, your divorce attorney. Let's go. Let's get moving. Let's defeat your ex-wife. Phil here, your divorce attorney. Let me fill you in on what's going on. An alien spaceship landed in your ex-wife's backyard. She fell in love with the leader, and it turns out they're all a hive mind, so she's fucking all of them. What are the odds? I know that's probably what you're thinking, but just get out there and kill them, Buck. That's all you can do. Over and out.
Why didn't you say goodbye to Mom and Dad before they left for their trip? You know they were pissed, right? Whatever, we got the place to ourselves now. Oh my God, don't give me that look, narc. What, are you mad that I'm throwing this party tonight? It's fine. Mom and Dad are gone for a whole fucking week. We can do whatever we want. Here, come on, try some. You know it's good for your depression, right? Okay, we're totally gonna rage tonight. I cannot wait. Whoa, it's kicking in. Oh, what is wrong with your face? Like I was saying, I got a text. Oh, finally, there you are. I felt like I was losing my mind. So, do you want any or nah? Fine, more for me then. All right, I'm gonna go get ready for the party. This stuff's gonna last me all week. It is powerful. Mom told me I was in charge. She did it in secret so it wouldn't hurt your feelings, and Dad said that he flat out doesn't love you. It was actually pretty messed up. By the way, Mom left you a note on the fridge. Go read it. Then come meet me outside. I need your help grabbing party shit from the store. You come in or what? So, I guess... Holy shit! Oh, what the fuck? Get down and stay quiet. I knew aliens aliens were real.
Shan hawalaha, shitao het gawang, halawa wan
Can you understand what they're saying? Oh shit, look, it's Mr. Pilfrey. He's got that, what's it called? Dementia.
What's going on out here? Martha, is that you? Oh my
Oh
god!
my god, what did they just do to Mr. Pilfrey?
Hola, mimatoa,
What the fuck is
hitzamuwa.
going on?
Cho, machiza, wanaho. Lumande tanda, ulapa kiwala kandama. Hastata bawa. Isa, wuchikawa, wuhan.
Do you hear that? What is that? Please be careful. Oh, did that thing just spit all
Finally!
over you?
Oh my god, finally I'm free, thank God! What a nightmare! Listen, can you pull the inhibitor chip out of me? It's the metal thing stuck in me, just pull it out!
What the fuck is that?
Oh, that feels so much better, thank you. Yeah, sorry about the spit. I needed to get you infected with the translator microbes. That's sort of how it works. I guess you guys don't have those here yet. Listen, my name's Kenny. I'm a Gatlian. We gotta move.
What is it? Is it talking to you? Maybe we should go back to the
Ignore
house.
her. It's very important that you listen to everything I say. Okay, it is your lucky day right now. We can survive this together if you just listen to me. These three guys are gonna turn your whole species into drugs. Can you handle a gun? Because, you know, I'm kind of a gun, and if you don't use me to kill those cheats, fuck yeah, there we go. All right, first kill. I'm so glad you picked me up. But let's keep going. Not bad, alien. Not bad at all. Let's head to that base. Well, here you go. It's a G3 warp base. Okay, let's just clean house and warp out of here. Nice. You know, you had to kill them, right? It was either them or you, and me as well. Oh shit, it's a merc. They're tougher.
It's letting human into the base. This wasn't...
Fuck yeah! Now grab the warp drive. We'll use this to warp the hell off this doomed planet. Sorry, no offense. I don't mean to upset you, but yes, your planet is doomed right now. Okay, listen, don't worry about the beeping. The beeping's fine. It's gonna blow up soon. We just need to plug this thing into power. Do you have something back at your house? Do you live in one of these huts around here? Take a step in. We gotta move. We gotta move.
I'm done waiting.
You cannot take on the aliens all by yourself.
Of course I can. This is all how it's supposed to be. I've been chosen. It's my destiny.
That's crazy. You're talking crazy.
The only thing that's crazy here is me spitting in the face of fate herself. My recurring dreams, the thing my horoscope said, it's all led up to this.
Quit fucking around. People are dying.
It has to be. I am the ultimate hero.
I will not stand idly by. That's what my child father does at Rose Rivaling.
This is bigger than us. This is about the fate of humanity.
Come on, we gotta go. No time for neighborhood gossip. We gotta get the fuck out of here. Listen, bring me up close to your face, you can aim.
Perfect. Now just look down the sights and fire. You're doing great, by the way. Oh, I'm proud of you. Do you need some more encouragement? You're that's my little G3 killer. Oh, look at you, G3 killer. Okay, enough of this. Unpressed. Your breath stinks.
That's your hut, right? The one that the weird alien you were with ran off to? We're almost there!
Oh, thank God you're still alive. I just killed an alien. I got blood in my mouth. I think we're all gonna die.
You got anything in here that emits, I don't know, microwaves? I know it's a lot to ask.
What, like a fucking microwave? Oh, whoa. I can understand your gun now.
Translator microbes, they're contagious, but can please just move past all this shit?
So,
Oh, thank God, it worked. Okay, it's just gonna need a second to boot up.
oh my God, that's the scary
name
alien
is
we saw kill Mr.
Galactus,
Gopher.
leader of the G3 cartel. Don't resist. Any attempts to fight us will be futile.
Crazy.
You are now officially the property of the G3 cartel.
All right, it's go time. Let's get out of here.
Wait, get out of here? Where are we going?
To find somebody who can help. You ever been to the big city? Because you're about to, except that it's a space city. It's a huge space city, and you're gonna be out of your element. And you better just follow my lead.
What just happened?
Looks like we made it. Welcome to Blim City.
Did you just warp our entire house to another planet?
Yeah, keep up. We'll be safe here. Now take me outside.
Whoa, you're just gonna leave me here in what, space? Are we in space?
Yeah, sorry, I know you're a bit shaken up, but you'll be fine. It's better than getting enslaved by the G3. Trust me.
I guess that's true. How the hell are we gonna get back to Earth?
We can't. That was a one-way trip. We don't have the coordinates to your planet.
You're going out there? Into space?
Yeah, welcome to fucking space! So this is Blim City. Not bad, huh? I don't know how we're gonna find Gene though. Let's just ask around. There's all kinds of aliens out here. Let's just ask. He is famous. Hey, we're looking for Gene Zaruthian, the bounty hunter. Any idea where he might be?
Who? No. Do you know how many freaking people live here? And you expect me to know this guy? No, of course not.
Okay, not everyone's gonna be helpful. Hey, we're looking for Gene Zaruthian. I'm not sure, maybe you could help?
Oh, I wish I knew where he was. He owes me like 300 pesos.
Huh, that doesn't sound like Gene Zaruthian to me. Hey, I think we could take a quick break from killing. You know, it's not gonna...
Okay, I guess you don't need my help.
Hey, excuse me, does the bounty hunter Gene Zaruthian live around here?
The bounty hunter, Gene Zaruthian? You must be confused. Please go.
What did you mean by that?
Please stop talking to me.
Hello?
Get away. Don't take my shit.
Oh my God, it can't be.
What do you want?
You're not the famous bounty hunter Gene Zaruthian, are you?
Who's asking?
You're really Gene.
Yeah, I'm really Gene. That's me, like on the ads. Disappointed? Guess how I feel.
Okay, well, whoopsies. We were gonna ask for your help fighting the G3 cartel, but...
Kid, do I look like I can help anyone? I just got evicted. I don't even have a goddamn home.
Can you point us in the direction of, you know, a bounty hunter friend that's still working, you know, still has their legs?
Ho, 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 ho. Look at that nice house. God damn. Where'd that come from? That's a great fucking house. You see that house?
Huh? Oh, yeah, I do. Yeah, that's this hairy alien's house, the one holding me.
God damn. Can't stop looking at that beautiful house. Yeah, okay. The gears are turning. Maybe I can help you.
You can? But you just said...
Yeah. I said I'd help you fight the... Who'd you say? The G3 cartel? Oh, yeah. Oh, come on, that's crazy, but... Okay, well, whatever. Yeah, sure. We'll kill them all. Easy. I've got a fully operational bounty suit in my cart over there.
Really? Well, that's convenient.
Yeah, I could turn that hairy kid of yours into a true blue bounty hunter. But if they die, I want the house. That's the trade.
Are you sure? I don't think they've even fired a gun before today. And wait, you want the house in return?
Yeah. This is a great deal for you. I mean, you get all my old bounty hunter shit, and I might get a house.
I don't know.
Enough talking. Just be a gun for a second. You, hairy kid, put on the suit. See how you feel. Then make a decision, yeah? I can always just pawn this shit off.
Okay, go ahead. Try it on. What choice do we have?
Wow, you look great, kid. Natural. Definitely not gonna die on your first bounty.
All right, I guess we'll give it a shot, but I don't know about this.
Yeah, shit. It's still in trial mode. I pawned off the activation license. The ticket should be in one of your pockets. Some loose change, too. Should be enough. Take that down to Mr. Keep's pawn shop, and he'll get you all set up. The suit will help you get there.
Hey there, Gene Zaruthian. It's me, Pseudo, your helpful bounty hunting assistant. Before I enable mobility, I just need to make sure your info scanner is online. Can you go ahead and give the area a quick scan for me? Okay, perfect. Great job. I've identified your current objective. Head on down to Mr. Keep's pawn shop. Can you see the waypoint? Perfectamundo. Everything is in working order. Mobility unlocked. You are free to move, Gene.
All right. I'll get things set up at your house while you're gone.
Ooh, whoops, sorry about all those pop-ups. I forgot to warn you about that. You can close them with the interact button, but they are gonna keep coming back nonstop. That's just gonna keep happening until you activate the license. Sorry, you better hurry up.
Okay, let's just head to Mr. Keep's.
What's up, freak?
Sure. Greet the customer properly.
Welcome to Mr. Keep's, dipshit. We're your friendly neighborhood pawn shop. Buy something or don't, nobody even cares.
Jorb!
Oh, so old Zaruthian doesn't feel like pawning his license key anymore. What? Did he win the sweepstakes? Ha! Okay, so you want this license key. But it's really nice. I kinda want it for myself.
You've got enough useless shit, Dad!
Fine, take it. It's yours.
Okay, fuck yeah. Activation license accepted. Bounty hunting suit is in perfect working order. Time for an important question. Would you like to keep me on as your permanent in-suit advisor? That was the best choice you could have made. All right, bye-bye now. I'll be back. A bunch.
Whoa, not bad. It's got your vital readings, armor levels, even my biometrics. Gene really came through, didn't he? I told you he'd be great.
Perfect. Just what this galaxy needs. Another good-for-nothing bounty hunter. Out of my store!
All right, bounty hunter. I guess let's head back to the house and check in with Gene. You'll find it. You'll figure it out. Hey, well, don't shoot the hook bug. That's probably somebody's pet.
I don't know if you do that. Try hitting the button on your screen. I can't say the name of the button because I have no fucking clue what kind of controller or keyboard you're using.
Would you chill out? They don't need to die. Huh, there's little guys coming out of your house. Okay? No, come on, would you stop with the killing for a bit?
Hey, nice house you got here. Real ritzy. Way better than my bench.
Oh, wow, you really made yourself at home, huh?
Oh, there you are. Who's this weirdo, and why is he setting up a fucking huge alien computer in our living room?
Okay, first of all, that alien computer is a very expensive and surprisingly operational Bounty 5000. So, you're welcome.
What 5,000?
Your kid here thinks they're gonna be a big bad bounty hunter. I set them up with some fancy equipment, so they're letting me have the house when they die.
Kid? They're not my kid. I'm their sister. How old do you think I am?
Listen, Hairball, I don't know what kind of alien you are or how fast you age. I'm just making my best guesses here.
You were only gone 5 minutes, and you already told some random alien he could move in with us. That's what you did.
Look, I know it's a lot all at once, but we need him to save your species, so do you think you could put up with him for a bit?
Well, yeah, if it's gonna help, sure. I'm sorry, everything I've ever known just got flipped upside down, so I don't know what's weird or not anymore.
I don't like getting up to take shit, so I'm just gonna shit right here in the couch later. I don't have to shit right now, but just a heads up.
Like that. Was that weird or was that normal? It was weird, right? It was weird.
Your mom's nice. Anyway, come talk to me when you're ready to get down to business.
So what, we just jump into the deep end and start hunting down G3 officers, or what?
I'm not sure you're ready just yet. I mean, they don't let you fuck the Glumpers at Glumpies without a level 4 fuck pass, do they?
What? I don't know.
Well, they don't. Maybe I should send you out on a little test run first, eh?
Okay, sure.
I've got just the thing. A small-time local gangster by the name of Nine Torg. She took my favorite knife. She's got an operation out in the slums. Maybe you kill her and get my knife back. Then we'll talk. Maybe take you out to Glumpy's to celebrate.
All right, so we just head out to the slums?
No, moron. You gotta use the Bounty 5000 to initiate a bounty. That's what I went through all the trouble of setting it up for.
Okay, Jesus.
So bounty hunting, huh? Are you really going to kill people?
Actually, we've killed a couple people already, you know. And so did you. So soon we forget.
Fine, I guess I'll just hang around at home and wait for you to do all your little murders.
Are you mad at us or jealous?
Jealous? I want to kill evil aliens too. Go ahead, don't worry about me. I'll be fine. Maybe I'll go see what the drinking age is here in space.
Shit. Normally that door would open up a gateway that lets you walk right through it.
So what do we do?
Calm down. The bounty's right here in Blim. You mind just heading out on foot? The slums gateway ain't too far from here. I'll get the Bounty 5000 all fixed up while you're gone.
Yeah, sure. All right, let's go, Bounty Hunter. So this is your bedroom, huh? It's fine. I mean, I don't really know what I was expecting, to be honest.
Don't forget to get my knife!
We're looking for the gateway to the slums, I guess? Look, it shouldn't be too far. Listen, just follow the waypoint. That's why you're wearing that fancy suit, isn't it? I mean, it's got the augmented reality thing on it, right?
Hello, citizens. I'm Blim City Magistrate Clug Nugman, and I have heard your concerns. Murder rates are on the rise. The city's water supply has clearly been poisoned again by Gary the Poisoner, and the mandatory sexual repression...
Hey! Don't even think about going down to the slums.
Hey, kid, excuse me, can we get we need to make our way into the slums, please?
No.
Hold on. So you really want to get into the slums, huh? Then settle a bet for us.
Come on, don't make him answer this, man.
No, I want to know.
It's fine, we'll help.
Okay, great. If you saw us at the bar, which of us would you ask out?
I guess the red guy.
Whoa, seriously?
Okay, come on. You don't gotta say that just to make him feel better. He's a big boy. He can take it if you think he's way uglier than me.
No. They said me. They picked me, dude. They picked me, not you. They picked me. They said I was hotter, not you.
Well, it's true. Look at you. I'm not a liar, man. I never lied in my life. I look at you and I see filth.
No, well, that's not what they said. They said they picked me. They said I was hotter. Didn't you say that?
Listen, we're not switching around here. We picked the red guy. That's the direction we're moving in.
Thank you. Thank God. Thank you so much for that changing. I really thought you were going to flake on me. Thank you.
No, fuck you. Change your mind right now. Pick me instead. This is insane. I am so much hotter.
You need to chill out, all right? They picked me, and that's final. That's a final pick. If you want to throw a fit, do it on your own time. Just let me have this one time, man. Hey, thanks for being honest. Look, don't tell anyone, but you can go through my door anytime you want from now on. Our little secret. Free passage in and out of the slums.
Wow, thank you. You have no idea how helpful that is.
Well, my door's locked forever. You made an enemy today. You're never, ever gonna get to use my door.
Well, you know what? That's fine, because we have this other door that works just as well. I think we handled that as best we could, you know?
I've never been topside.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, it's a topsider.
Not interested.
Hey, oh my god, I broke my fucking leg coming down that pipe. Be careful.
Sorry to hear that.
Well, look what we got here. Fresh meat. Hey there, fresh meat. Welcome to the slums, fresh meat.
Oh boy, here we go. Fucking kid.
What's wrong, fresh meat? You scared of the little kid?
Attention,
Yeah, the little
City
kid. Look at me. Look at
You
me.
are wearing an unregistered bounty.
Shit, we gotta take down.
Am I supposed to be impressed? You shot all the drones? I could have done that with my eyes closed.
Whoa, what are you doing? Come on, he's just a kid. Don't shoot him.
Oh, you don't want to shoot me just because your gun said no.
I am not shooting a kid.
Go ahead. Do it. Shoot me, fresh meat! Shoot me! See what happens! Oh, don't I look so shootable? Look at me! You can shoot me anywhere you want. Hey! Get back here! Fresh meat! I'm not done with you!
You must have met my son. He calls everyone fresh meat. Thanks for not shooting him. Things have been really hard since his annoying dad got shot and killed. It's been hard because even though my annoying husband is gone, my son is still so annoying too. So go ahead and kill him if you really want to. I'm not gonna stop you. I'd love to not have any annoying family members left.
You shot me, I'm dead.
All right there, are you happy now? Wow, I didn't think we'd be allowed to kill him. Normally, killing children in games isn't allowed, but he's dead. We killed this kid. Are you happy now? We killed a kid. A kid is dead now. There goes our E for everybody rating.
So it finally happened. Someone killed my son.
Your son?
Yep. The kid up there who always calls everyone fresh meat.
We are so sorry. Listen, don't get used to that. We're not killing any more kids. I'm drawing the line, so savor it, enjoy it. It happened. Tuck it away in the old memory book.
No, it's fine. He was 30 years old, so don't feel too bad. 30 years old is still adolescence for our species, but it's not as bad as shooting like a 5-year-old or something. So don't worry, you just did regular murder. And I warned him over and over. I said, don't sit up there calling strangers fresh meat, or some gun-toting psychopath is gonna shoot you dead in cold blood. And you went and did it. Good for you. Anyway, please, just leave me to mourn.
Jesus.
Hey, you can't pass through here. It's Nine Torg's turn.
Jesus, enough with everyone getting in our way. We just want to kill Nine Torg.
Yeah, right. You kill Nine Torg? Get lost, shitheel. Hey, what are you doing? What the fuck? Holy shit, you just killed Jason. Jason's dead.
Oh shit, here we go. We're gonna have to kill some of these Torg foot soldiers to prove ourselves around here. These people think we're weak. Not on my watch.
What are you, some kind of bounty hunter? The slums are full, asshole. This is Nine Torg's turn. The coolest turn.
Shit, they're shooting at us. Come on, shoot back. Come on, shoot back.
It's gonna be so easy to kill you. Nine Torg training's real good. We're the toughest enemies in the game, I think.
Stepped on your ass.
They were right.
Oh no. Wow, all right, we got them all.
I'm so lonely over here. I got all this great information I could share. I'm just sitting here, fishing away, waiting for someone to come over and ask me stuff. I'm just gonna whistle to myself for a bit now, till someone talks to me. Hello there, friend. Can I help you?
So, what exactly are you doing out here?
What? I'm fishing. You can tell I'm fishing, right?
Oh, right, duh, of course, sorry. It's very obvious, yes. So, have you caught anything?
No, never have, never will. No fish can live down here in this sludge.
If there aren't any fish in there, why are you fishing? What is that? What's going on?
Because I'm still working up the courage to drown myself.
Yikes, wow, okay. TMI, maybe, a little bit. Do you know how we can get to Nine Torg?
Buddy, all I know is fish, and I barely know fish. But let's just pretend there's a laundromat you can sneak through to get to Sludge Works over there.
Are we pretending, or is there really a laundromat?
Come on, kid, take the hint. Either we're pretending, or Nine Torg's goons kill me for squealing.
Okay, I got it. We're pretending.
Oh, Christ, just follow that path along the sludge.
You're a wise old fisherman. Can you tell us a little bit about Nine Torg?
Quiet. She's got ears everywhere. Or antennae, whatever ants here with.
Is she really that dangerous? Come on. I mean, she's just one gang lord.
Just one? What about the other 8 Torgs?
Wait, so the 9 in Nine Torg it's a counter? There's 9 Torgs?
9 clones, yep. And that's just what's left. There used to be even more of them, but they always kill each other. Fighting for dominance over what? This hellhole? This month, 9 Torgs in charge. Last month, it was 14 Torg. Before they killed her, Now 9 Torgs fighting with 5 Torg. It never ends.
Which one do you prefer?
8 Torg is the hottest.
So, how do you like living down here in the slums? It's sort of colorful down here, at least.
What? Are you serious? This is one of the worst places anyone can live. You can't see that just by looking at it. It's more sludge than anything else, and the sludge is toxic.
Oof, sorry. Yeah, that sludge does look pretty awful.
No, the sludge is the best part. It's the quickest way out. Just hop in there and you got a one-way ticket out of here. Imagine if we didn't have the sludge. Then we'd really be trapped. Anyway, yeah, living here is bad.
Hey, thanks for the info, wise fisherman. We'll see you later.
Have a good day now.
Oh, hey, you want to see a cool party trick I used? Fuck yeah, I told you! Did you see how fun that was? I call it my glob shot. It comes out of my trick hole. Yes! Yes! Oh my god, I could do this all day. Doesn't this fucking rule? God, I love spewing big gloopy globs.
What the fuck? Did he just kill everyone?
Hold up, don't shoot. I got an idea. It's another trick up my little slimy sleeve. Try hitting him with my glob shot. Take your time and aim right.
You're gonna kill us now, aren't you?
Oh, God, please don't.
Don't do that. Don't shoot a glob if you...
All right, you're having some trouble. That's fine. Listen, just keep trying until you get it. You know, I'm gonna be patient because it's my cool glob shot. Come on, you got steady and aim. Whoa, perfect shot! You fucking nailed it! How sick was that? Whew, okay, I gotta recharge. It doesn't take too long, but it's a little longer when there's enemies nearby. You know, my body gets too tense. It's like trying to piss when someone's watching, you know?
Oh, fuck! The other friends is here! They're gonna kill us too!
Oh shit, here come more guys! Go nuts! Use my glob shot and then just shoot them in the air. Juggle them. It's gonna look sick, I promise. You just got squashed. And now, juggle them!
I thought we...
Damn, no. It's tough. I know it's tough. Just try again. Just try it one more time. Oh, sorry. Yeah, no, my glob shot takes a little longer to recharge when we're in combat. My body's all tense during a fight. You know, my muscles aren't loose. It just takes longer to recharge. You've been squished.
I thought we were strong, right? We're not weak, are we? We're a little... Please don't kill me, please!
You shot it up first! Keep shooting them while they're in the air. You can juggle them, and it does more damage, and it looks cool, too.
Hey, where'd you go?
Looks like he was die clean only. All right, this has to be the way to 9 Torg. Let's keep moving.
Hey, careful with the merchandise.
Whoa, hold up a bit. Let's listen.
Lined up and everything. They're gonna be here any minute. Just patient.
Oi, fuck you! I'm sick of this! I want to tear through someone's guts!
Oh, I think they're talking about Gene's knife.
Ah, fuck you!
Got it, freak. We've had enough of your bullshit.
Yeah, it's your fault Stevulax is dead. I was in love with him. Did you know that? I loved him. And now his head's cut off.
Just the way it should be. Fuck him!
Hey, guess what? I have another secret trick you can use. The power of negotiation. Let's try reasoning with these guys. Knock on the door. Tell me how you want to play this.
Fuck you insufferable fucking cunts. When I'm loose, you're not gonna want to see what kind of shit's gonna happen.
Fuck you! I should just toss you into sludge!
Baby, ignore him. He's just trying to get to you.
Thanks, hon. You really know how to calm me down. You know, now that I think of it, it's kind of a good thing Stevulax died, because I found you, right?
Aw, babe, I love you too.
Oh, cool. They're in love. That's nice.
Ugh, yuck! Don't do that in front of me. Get a fucking room.
Fuck you!
Huh? Who's there? Who are you?
Hey. Hello there, friends.
Oh, I think it's the buyer.
Hey, are you the buyer?
I'm sorry to disappoint. I'm not the buyer, I guess.
Then get out of here. Quit wasting our time.
Okay, so I don't know if we're playing hard to get or what, but honestly, it was really obvious. We were supposed to say we were the buyer. But listen, all right, you know, you did your best. Let's just try again, okay?
Okay, This must be the buyer. Hey, buddy, are you the buyer?
No, it's me, your lover Stevulax. I'm back from the dead.
What? Oh my god, baby! You're alive! Your voice sounds different, though.
Let's play along. No shooting.
Wait, you're not my dead lover, Stevulax. You're just a person. Oh, what a good trick. You tricked me. Nice job.
They told us this buyer was a real prankster.
Oh, you. Come on. That was pretty fucked up. That joke is gonna fuck me up.
You got him good. Okay, no, but enough of that. Let's show them the product.
All right, here's the product. A genuine talking knife. I gotta be honest with you, he's a real piece of shit.
He's extremely violent. He basically only talks about wanting to kill people in very disturbing ways.
Fuck you, I'm gonna carve out your anal cavity. Gonna make it 3 times as big. Your shit's just gonna drop right out of there.
See what I'm talking about?
Oh, perfect. That's exactly what we're looking for.
Yeah, great. Go ahead. Feel free to inspect it. Try him out. See how he feels in your hand.
Yeah, fucking free me. Let's go. Let's go psycho on these fuckers. Oh, fuck yes, thank you. Pleased to meet you. I'm Knifey. Now use me. Let me fucking stab these cocksucking ants.
Oh, just a reminder, don't do anything crazy when you're holding the knife. Just like look at it, see if you like it, put it back. Yeah, thank you.
Fuck yes! Yes, fuck yes! More! I need more stabbing! Hey you, listen, point me at your raw, fleshy little tummy and jab me right into there. Let's get all those guts torn up. Let's see that fucking red goop spill out. I can't stop now!
Oh, that's a pass for us. Is this really the knife Gene was talking about?
Gene? Did you just say Gene? Okay, change of plans. Bring me to Gene so I can fucking decapitate him!
Wait, what? Why? He sent us to rescue you!
Oh, that's rich. There's no way I'm forgiving him, though, for leaving me with that fucking Nine-Torg. He's dead to me!
Huh? You know Nine-Torg? We're trying to kill her!
Oh, perfect! Finally, we're on the same page! Let's kill Nine-Torg, then Gene!
Okay, definitely Nine-Torg, but let's put a pin in the whole Gene thing. How do we get out of here?
With my tether ability! I'm more than just a knife, you racist! I can tether too! Look up and latch on! Yeah, there we go! Fucking cool, right? You gotta use me to swing across this sludge. Oh, fuck yeah! Not as good as stabbing, but still pretty good.
Well, all right. Where to next?
The sludge works processing plant. Nine-Torg was talking about some traitor she had to deal with. Probably another one of her clones. 5-Torg or 6-Torg or whatever. I don't know, there's too many now. There's too many Torgs.
How many clones are there?
Who the fuck cares? Stop thinking so hard and just look for the big sludge work sign. I want to stab somebody.
You again.
Oh, they look scary. Oh, yes! Oh, do this every time! Never fire your Gatlian again! Please, just use me for killing now. Making a knifey only any % run.
Oh, hey, there's some Gatterall. Oh, thank Jesus. Okay. Mamma mia, that's the stuff. Sludge works! Nine-Torg should be here!
The legendary ant killer approaches, and they've obtained the fearsome knife of death!
Oh, brother!
Fight, my ant brethren! Fight for your lives, and avenge our fallen!
Oh, I love this! Excuse me! I can open those fuckers up real good! And it's loot inside for you too! Win-win? Yes!
I guess this time I ruined your picnic!
Is even more powerful than we were led to believe!
Wow, I feel really powerful. Do you feel powerful? We're unstoppable. Is this bloodlust? Am I feeling bloodlust? Don't eat up for a juggle! So close! Listen, you can do this. Come on! This is my signature thing!
You can thank me for oppressing you later when you're dead.
Exterminated! okay. I'm not sure what came over me there. I think I got caught up in the moment or something, but hey, good work, team. Let's go get 9 Torg.
Any last words, 5 Torg?
Is that 9 Torg talking?
Fuck off! I've always said you were the worst, Torg! You know, 7 Torg said the same thing. Right before I killed her. Damn you! And you're next.
You got this! Well, Red, come on, admit it. We're hurting you.
No! Fuck you!
Oh, yeah. Jesus, it's so gross you even went in there. Yeah, so stop diving into it. Shit, she's filling the place with sludge. Stay in the air.
Better not fall in.
Hey, I'm still here. You can still use me if you want. I can deflect attacks. Did you know that? I'm not just all about stabbing. Well, I'm mostly all about stabbing and tethering, but I can also deflect attacks. I'll slice them to fucking death. I'll cut their fucking heads off. I'll rip their limbs. I'll fucking do everything. Oh, I'm gonna fucking cut right into them. I'll cut their fucking asshole off and eat it.
Yeah, bitch! Are you even a real bounty hunter?
This isn't sanitary, and it hurts like fuck!
I'm the strongest out of all the Torg clones! I'm impressed you made it this far. My ex-soldiers are extremely strong.
Honestly, I don't think they were. We're new at this, and it was pretty easy to kill them all. Take that!
It tickles! In a painful way. Haha! I'm taking you with me!
Just stay alive! I think she's bigger than done for! Thanks! Wow, we killed a bounty. How do you feel, bounty hunter? I feel pretty good. I really didn't know if we'd be able to pull it off.
All right, it's time.
Time for what?
Time to carve out a piece of her. I'm thinking we go with a full slab of thigh meat, but since it's your first, I'll let you pick.
Jesus, are you kidding?
What kind of bounty hunters don't know that you've got to bring back proof of the kill to get paid?
Oh, God.
Oh, don't be such a goddamn baby. I'll do all the messy work. Just go up to a corpse and let me go wild.
Oh, God, I can't look. I can't.
Oh, fucking hell, she's was a gusher?
Couldn't we have just taken like a fingernail, some spit, maybe a blood sample?
Yeah, sure. Could have, I guess.
Hey, I'm 5 Torg. Thank you for killing my evil clone. I don't mind if you mutilate her corpse, really. It's fine. You did such a good job. That was like off the hook.
You're not gonna take over and end up being just as evil as 9 Torg, right?
Oh, don't worry. Things are gonna be a lot different around here.
So no more crime then?
Oh, not that different then. Technically, all of us Torgs are evil clones, so I'm still gonna do a bunch of crime. But we're cool.
Huh?
Far as I'm concerned, you're a friend of the Torg family and welcome here anytime. An honorary Torg. You can be 10 Torg. Now, if you'll excuse me, my day just became very full.
Are you gonna be okay if we just kind of leave you hanging up there?
Oh, yeah, I can get down just fine. Hanging from ropes feels nice for my species. Hey, it's good for our backs. I'm actually the one who put myself here. Thanks for the rescue. Don't mind me, I'm just gonna hang here for a bit. Yeah, next time you come back, I'll be off being really busy running everything and, doing stuff. 'Cause, yeah. Well, hey, what are you doing? Ow, I can't feel that, I never should have let you be an honorary Torg. You're minus 10 Torg. Stop it! Come on, that hurt. Actually, this is pretty spot on Torg behavior. Yeah, I made the right call. Oh, fuck! Cut it out! You don't want 3 Torg in charge. Trust me, they're still a literal child. Hey, that's right. The numbers denote how old we are. Not the order we were cloned, duh. But we grew up really fast. I'm 5 years old, but that's like adulthood for our species. And 9 Torg was basically an old clone. All right, I guess you're just gonna kill me. Ah, that sucks. Okay, that was a lot. Come on, that hurt. Oh, hey. Okay, that was a lot.
Nice, we killed another boss. I think like a bonus secret boss. Good work. All right, let's go home and turn in our first bounty.